Today, we're gonna use the swim machine. It's cute, and my mommy bought it. It's dangerous, but you just have to be careful. So, do you know how to turn it on? This is the button to turn on. This means on, this means off. It's showing here. If you want to make it high, you have to make it this way. So let's move it. I'll move it this is the charger for it. Let's charge. So this is the foot pedal. Boom! What? It's still on!
Yes, this is the switch. If you're not going to use the foot pedal, you can use this button.
That's scary!
Okay.
I didn't realize that it would happen!
You don't know. Try the foot pedal.
Look, this is how. I need to close my ears.
Why? Okay, here you go.
So we need that thing, can I? But before that, we need to add this.
No need this one, only this one.
But
We have to connect
But
this.
we have to connect. Yeah, mommy. Here's the thread. We need to add converse it. Okay.
You insert here.
What's inserted? Oh, see, it's went to my book. It's hard.
Need some help?
No need for some help. Oh my goodness. Oh, yeah, it's a bit, but I don't think I. I take it.
Try again.
Okay. Let me do it. Wait, stand back.
Pull it here.
Oh, I'm
Yes,
trying.
come on.
It's hard.
Again.
Okay, I'm gonna start. It's hard. Can you help me, Mommy? I need help.
Okay, let me do it.
Okay, here.
But you're doing great.
I'm trying to
It's
do
the right way.
I'm trying, but it doesn't. It's just one here. There
Pull
goes
it
my
out.
turn.
Yes.
Oops.
Wait just a minute.
In just a minute. What do we do this next, Mommy? What now?
And then you insert here.
I have to.
That's a bit hard. Let me try.
Alright. You can try. You have to make it forward.
Okay, can you please pull it out?
Thank
you.
Okay.
And next, here.
Okay. Alright.
Up, no.
Oh,
From here,
okay.
going out. It's gonna be right to left.
I don't wanna use the foot pedal. Am I? Oh.
Okay. Okay, the next,
Why?
here.
Let me do it. Let
okay.
me do it. Oh yeah, I see it. But it's easy, Mommy. I can still see it. See, because I can see it. Now what now? What
Okay,
now?
and
How did you?
can you do it? Can you do it?
I can't do it.
Okay, let me help you.
Okay. But I think the viewers will think that we're working together.
Oh, wait a minute.
Oh, ups. I didn't realize that. Sorry, viewers.
Okay, can you please pull it out? Pull out the thread. Come on. Here, you help mommy.
Okay.
Oh, thank you. Good job. Okay. Now, you can try it. Let's
Okay, let's plug
This one.
Let's plug this off. Okay. Okay, so we need.
So you have to put this up
Oh, let's put this up.
and okay,
Wait,
already.
Oh,
And then
Then we need to put this almost.
oh, by the way, you have to make sure that there's a thread inside. Okay?
I can know, Mommy. I can remember. Look, it's showing.
It's showing. Okay.
Yes, it's showing. Okay. We need to wait. Touch it.
Okay, that's a minute. No. This is enough.
Okay, then your turn, Mommy. I'll use the foot pedal.
No, you have to touch this one. You have to guide this. Okay? Can you do it
I
now?
can do it while this.
No, you can use the foot pedal.
Oh no. Is it
And
this way?
3, 2, 1. Come on.
Okay.
3, 2, 1. See?
It's itself.
It's working.
It's moving itself, Mommy. No need.
No, you have to guide it. Okay. How about this one? If you use the button, this one.
Look.
And if you want to make it high,
That's so much speed.
okay. So, foot pedal. Okay. So that's enough.
Oh, stop. Okay.
Okay.
That's
Then pull this up.
up. Then cut it. That's it.
Okay, good job.
Look, I'm finished with this. Next is that one. Okay. And guys, we're gonna start it now. On the high, okay, guys? But maybe not. I'll just stay here beside you.
Why are you staying away?
Okay, I'm just gonna do this. Okay, never mind. Is it high? Nope.
I don't know. Okay, why are you staying away? Come here.
No, Mommy.
Hey.
I told you so.
Oh, come on.
Okay, never mind. Okay.
Come on. You have to guide it. Come on. You have to guide it, anak.
Okay. And guys, let's try again. Wait, why is it this way?
No, please.
Let's see if we can see something. Oh,
Come on. Okay.
that's enough. I don't want to make it. Oh, it's moving, Mommy. It's moving. Next, we need to cut it again. Up.
Oh. Good job.
Okay, let's cut this side.
Here.
Don't forget to like and subscribe down below.